Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper blade on your Honda Fit. This is a viewer requested video. Alright, so I went ahead and purchased two different kinds. This one right here is just a rubber refill that you can purchase to replace the rubber on the old one. And I also purchased a aftermarket one that is the complete unit itself. Now, to remove the old wiper blade, all you do is pull back on the wiper arm, and then just tilt this all the way back, continue to tilt it back, and it's going to dislodge. Now, if you went ahead and purchased this one, all you would do is, now if you look at the new one, there's a side with a little notch and side without a notch. The notch side needs to correspond with this little slit right here. And so I'm going to put this through in here, and then just put it back, and that's it. It's simple as that. Now, if you purchase the refill, all you have to do is go ahead and remove this. All right. So simply slide it off, and then go ahead and remove the two metal rods in here. So there's one and two. So take your rod and place it right on the slot that's on the top, and then run it down with your fingers, and then do the exact same thing for the opposite side. Now take your new rubber insert, and you see that there are two slots, one on each side right there. So that right there needs to go into this opening. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the middle one first, slide it all the way across, and then put it in the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it through one end. And this end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bow this out. Give me a sec. I'm going to bow it out like this until this side has enough slack to go into that little opening. See? And there you go. And that's it. Now, the reason why I bowed this out instead of just sliding it across is because for the rear wipers, both ends are capped off here. And so it's not very easy to just slide it off and slide it in. And so you just have to bow it out and then reinsert it in here. And as you can see, all the rubbers are not bunched up. And so this is correctly installed. Now, if it was me, I probably would skip on the OEM refills, because look, the wiper arm itself does get sun damage and it is faded and spotty here and there. This right here costs about $6, and this right here is about $10. And you don't have to get your hands dirty like this, and don't have to worry about, lining it up and doing all that thing. It takes a lot more time to change the wiper blade with this one compared to this. You just remove it and install it in less than a minute and you're done. And so I would recommend you changing to this. But again, if you already purchased this, it's not a big deal. You can still go ahead and change that out. All right, as you can see, this is very simple to do. I'll have the link to this wiper blade that I purchased on Amazon in the video description below, so check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.